Going on a long drive to an amazing destination can be a wonderful way to spend time with your friends and family. But organizing what you need for the journey can be stressful if you're not well prepared. So here are some amazing tips that you can keep in mind to make your trip a success. First tip, plan your route. With modern GPS, it can be very easy to just go where the road takes you. But not having a predetermined route can cause a lot of stress and unwanted surprises. Even if you have GPS, always bring a physical map, plus a compass to make sure you have backup. Mark your stops ahead of time like gas stations, hotels, diners, and convenience stores. Call ahead if you plan to stay at a hotel to make sure they have available rooms. It is also wise to call up gas stations to check if they are still operating. Second tip, always let others know where you are going, the exact route you're going to take, and estimated time of arrival, just in case. You never know, emergencies can and do happen to travelers each and every year. Third tip, make sure your car is in top shape. Have your car checked by a professional so it will not fail you on the road. Bring a spare tire and tools such as jumper cables and tire inflator pump in case of emergencies. Next tip, make sure you are entertained while on the road. Don't rely on music or videos that would require internet connection. Preload your electronic devices with your playlists and don't forget to fully charge your gadgets. Oh yeah, don't forget to bring those chargers and adapters. If you're traveling with kids, think of singing games or word games you can play in the car in case the little ones get bored of their gadgets. And lastly, here's another tip that a lot of road trippers take for granted. Pack for emergencies. Aside from the obvious wrinkle-free clothing and travel-sized toiletries, pack items that can help get out of unexpected situations. Extra food and water, flashlight, first aid kit, and batteries are very useful items that can be a lot of help. But with different types of emergencies that you can encounter on the road, these items may not be enough. What if you break down? Or even worse, have an accident and become stranded in a blazing hot desert or frozen mountain pass? Every year, someone becomes a victim to a roadside emergency while traveling, which in some cases developed into a car survival situation. So you may be wondering, what else do I need? Won't it be expensive? How much extra stuff do I need to be really prepared? For every road trip you take, there is an easy, cost-effective, and efficient solution to your biggest concerns. No need to stress, because the simple answer is to get an all-in-one car emergency kit that will give you the peace of mind while on the road. There are many available kits in the market, but not all of them are properly equipped and capable of handling multiple roadside emergency situations. Some are too big, and some are too small, while others are packed in a way that makes it hard to find items during a time-critical moment. What you need is a kit already assembled by automotive safety experts. One excellent choice is the Premium Car Emergency Kit by Auto Club Hero. It goes beyond the basics, so you'll have everything you need in just one easy-to-access bag. Yes, one single bag holds all the essential life-saving solutions. So no need for multiple kits covering car breakdowns, survival situations, or disasters. The Auto Club Hero Premium Vehicle Emergency Survival Kit comes with emergency food and water with a 5-year shelf life. You'll also get a compact but well-equipped first aid kit included, and if your car breaks down on the road, the all-in-one bag has your important roadside solution tools that will get you back on track. The kit comes with car survival gear, including a valuable bonus: emergency escape glass breaker with seatbelt cutter. Hold on, there's more. Each kit includes a lifetime warranty against manufacturer's defects. There is absolutely no other kit like it on the market. The Auto Club Hero team has thought of it all. Even if you need to start a fire, outside the vehicle of course, or if you need extra lighting. Again, this kit has it all. So don't leave everything to chance and just hope for the best. On your next road trip, be prepared for the worst, and don't let the journey turn into a driving nightmare. With this kind of cost-effective and well-equipped vehicle emergency kit, you'll receive valuable peace of mind, confidence, and assurance with every turn that long road takes you. Prepare for the road trip with these tips and equip yourself today with a premium car emergency kit from Auto Club Hero that will not fail you. It's a matter of when, not if, a roadside emergency happens. We believe that you and your loved ones deserve this kind of valuable peace of mind, and it's all within your reach.